Okay, here's just a quick video to show how to test a flow-through heater. This is basically your multimeter. You're set to your lowest resistance setting, which on this is R times 1. Just get my multimeter set, 0. Okay, so here at the bottom we have my faulty one. So if you come in there, let's see that. We want to see that. So we touch the two ends there. Nothing coming through. Absolutely nothing coming through. So this is the damaged one. Let's get rid of that. This is my aftermarket one, half the price. I'm not too bothered about getting brand new equipment or manufacturer. I'll just change it again if it goes. Touch that together. And we're seeing we're getting a feed now. So that's now a good working bit of kit. If you see that. Good. So this is good. This will now go back into my dishwasher.